Hey guys, welcome in. I'm Jamie. Nice to see you. Today I'm going to be opening up the third, number 3. We're going to be opening up number 3 per package from Roberta. Thank you, Roberta, for letting me purchase these items. I'm quite excited. I will tell you guys the date that this was received or purchased. Let's see. I'm going to show just check the date out. This one is from 11/08. 2024. So November 8th, 2024. November 8th, 2024. So this was basically a month after from the second one. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's inside. Oh yes, let me take a picture real quick. I'll bring you guys a little closer too, just because the other video is pretty much it's like out and stuff like that, so I figured it'll be okay. There it is right here. Okay. I love the way she packs her items. They're really, really snugged, and she uses the box so it all stays together. And then she puts everything together like that. Really cute. Love it. Okay, here is her thank you card. It says right there, thank you for supporting my small business. Here is the backside. Hi, Jamie. Thanks so much for your continued love and support. Much love. Blessings, Roberta Rowe. Okay, I'll have her link down below, so if you're interested in purchasing anything from her, you can go check her out. Okay, there we go. Let's see what we purchased here. Wow, I see there's a lot of little trinkets that I got. I was always wondering where did I've been looking for my trinkets, wondering if because I felt like I've been missing some. And now I know I haven't opened them. So that's pretty funny. We have this nice beautiful cameo with a nice background with the green. There it is right there. A little container. There's the back. Stickers off. It's almost similar to the other one that I opened earlier. And there it is here. Okay. I'm not sure. I'm thinking this is probably like a resin. This one. Not too sure. Maybe it might glow. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, we have this one here. Oh wow, here we go. Beautiful. Has a little tassel hanging from it. How cute is that? So adorable. It's a gold tone. Looks like it is a solid perfume by TOVA. There it is there. Made in the US. Okay. Kind of reminds me of a pineapple. Oh, there we go. There it is right there. Okay. And then this one is just like, it's just a little smelly stuff. That's okay though. Put it back on. It's so cute. Oh yes. I've never heard of that makeup company. So here's that one there. Really pretty. Okay. Oh wow, look at this one here. This one here is a moon. Very different shape. There you go. It's like almost the races in a way, or they're looking for an animal or something. I think they're hunting, or no, maybe they're not hunting. I'm not too sure because they're both wearing red jackets. Is that the police? Maybe the police. I'm not sure. There's the container here. Switzerland. Wow. How cool. I wonder if this was like a candy dish. Here it is there. Wow, how unique. Okay. And just put it back together there. There we go. I wonder what was in it. Maybe chocolates? Do they make a lot of chocolates now? They're very popular for their chocolate. Could be candy. Well, that's cool. That's unique. Okay, I'll put that there. And then we have a free gift. Nice free gift. I'll put that there for now. And then the last item is here. And we will see what it is. Oh, it's very shiny. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Holy moly, moly, moly. That is beautiful. Wow, that looks really hard to make. It's like a mother and pearl inlay. Look at that side too. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's open it up. The lines are so precise. That's a beautiful makeup compartment. Let's see what's inside. There we go. Oh, oh wow. There we go. Oh, it has like a little leverage there. Or so. Trying to be careful. I don't want to. Oh, there you go. So just push it. Here you go. So I'm assuming there was probably makeup in the bottom of this, maybe, and then the pad. Wow, this is a really, really nice piece. There you go. What do you guys think of this piece? Pretty, eh? Okay, well, thank you guys so much. Oh, let's open up the free gift. Thank you, Roberta, for the free gift. That's so lovely of you to include. Oh, wow, look at that one. Really pretty. Beautiful. Like a blue rhinestone with a little bit of clear rhinestone. Very pretty. There it is there. Wowzers. There we go, guys. If you guys like what you guys see, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys all take care, and you guys see you again. We'll see you soon for number 4.